come over to your phone and find your settings. You want to find your portable hotspot. I'll click on that. And you want to make sure it's toggled on. If you want to do your settings, this is from where you're going to add a password to your hotspot. I'm going to check this now. This is toggled on. It has showed that my hotspot is on. Now let's come over to our laptop and come down here. We want to find our internet icon. As you can see, it said no internet access, no connections available. I'm going to click on that. And you see here where it says Wi-Fi. Because our hotspot is on our phone, we're going to click on Wi-Fi. And that's toggled it on. I'm going to click this arrow here to find Wi-Fi that are available around me. And because mine is available, so I'm going to click on this name here. And I'm going to click on connect. So ask me for the password of my hotspot. And I'm going to enter that. And I'm going to click on next. And that has connected to my phone's Wi-Fi. I'm going to click out and let's browse the internet and see if this is truly working. We're going to see about. See, this is truly working. I hope this was helpful. Like this video if you got value from it and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.